National Restoration and Facility Services provides quality, fast, reliable 24/7 emergency services for fire and smoke damage, storm and water damage, emergency board-up installs, demolition, mold remediation, as well as emergency biohazard cleanup. Additionally, National Restoration provides general contracting, construction management, janitorial, facility mechanical and healthcare maintenance services, and dry ice cleaning. Whether you need a full-service emergency restoration company or a best-in-class facility services provider, National Restoration is a one-stop shop. When someone's home is damaged by fire, the destruction is not just to their home and possessions, but also to the family. The focus at National Restoration is to restore the property back to its original condition as fast as possible, while minimizing the stress and anxiety to the owners.
They was right on the ball. I mean, they came in here, they did their thing. These guys was just like that.
They seriously held my hand and walked me through from beginning to end everything that needed to be done.
He actually called the Red Cross out to get us into a room that night, as well as get us emergency money for clothes and food.
National Restoration personnel are highly trained, well-equipped, and ready to restore any size home or facility after fire. Whether the fire and smoke damage is to a commercial facility, such as a restaurant or a warehouse, or to a home kitchen or whole house, National Restoration is prepared to handle any call 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year.
Within 1/2 hour after the fire department turned the building back over to us, National Restoration crew was here. Must have been a crew of 15, 20 people.
They boarded up my house, they secured my house and everything before they left. And then once it was released, they came back, cleared up all the rubbish, took the items I was able to rescue, boxed them up, cleaned them up, and stored them for me until I found a place to put them. And in the interim, as things went on, they would advise me about certain things, give me some direction in which to go. Always accessible. That was the amazing part. They were always accessible. Whenever I called, I always talked to somebody, or somebody would call me back.
National Restoration is a highly specialized provider of fire damage restoration, smoke damage restoration, storm damage restoration, and water damage restoration, mold remediation, biohazard cleanup, and content restoration. To find out if National Restoration provides services in your area, contact us at our 24-hour emergency telephone number, 855-24-RESTORE. That's 855-247-3786.